Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Are you struggling with registering your Toyota Prius 2015 TPMS tire pressure sensors with Techstream? Well, fear not, because I've got just the solution for you. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, so grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive in. But before we begin, if you're enjoying this content and finding it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome automotive tips and tutorials just like this one. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating valuable content for you. All right, let's get started. To register your TPMS sensors, you'll need a few things handy. First off, make sure you've got a Techstream cable that's equipped with TPMS capability. I recommend the vxdiag VCX Nano Toyota or the genuine Mongoose Pro MFC cable for optimal performance. Additionally, ensure you have the proper Techstream software installed. If you're not sure which version to use, v18.00.008 with autokent keygen activation works like a charm. You can find it with a quick search online. Now, onto the nitty-gritty. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've switched to winter wheels but don't have the IDs for your winter sensors? It can be quite the headache, especially with that annoying TPMS icon glaring at you from the instrument panel. Well, fret not, because we're about to tackle that issue head-on. First things first, grab your AutoTS 508WF TPMS scanner. This nifty device will provide you with all the essential information you need, from sensor IDs to pressure, temperature, and battery status, all in one convenient package. Next up, make sure you've got your hands on 4 sets of TPMS sensors. These will need to be registered in your car to ensure everything runs smoothly. With your trusty Techstream cable and laptop in tow, head on over to your parking lot, because it's time to get down to business. Fire up your Techstream software and navigate to the TPMS section. From the array of modules available, select the tire pressure monitor module that you need. In the trouble code section, you'll likely encounter a few errors due to a lack of communication with the sensors. Not to worry, we'll sort that out in no time. Now, dive into the data list section, where you'll find valuable insights into your tire pressure monitoring system. Pay attention to the number of slots available in the readings for temperature and pressure. This will give you a clearer picture of what needs to be done. With everything set up, head over to the utility section and kick off the ID registration process. Remember, timing is crucial here, so make sure you're not starting the process while the system is still identifying sensors, and be sure to enter all IDs within the allotted time frame. Once you've successfully registered all 4 IDs, sit back and watch as the magic unfolds. Within minutes, you'll see the system polling sensors in real time, displaying temperature and pressure readings on your monitor. And just like that, the TPMS icon on your dashboard should disappear, signaling a job well done. And there you have it, folks. Your TPMS sensors are now registered and ready to roll. But before you go, be sure to check out the links in the description for more useful tips and tricks. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow gearheads. Until next time, happy driving.